the complex of the saint that's keeping you so is it a code to...
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Oscar and welcome back to yet another video. So I took a little longer than I wanted to make this review that I'm about to do right now, but I mean, I've just been busy with my own things, and I've also been trying to make a website, and I'll talk a little bit more about that towards the end of this video. So let's get on with the review. So over here I have a pair of Calvin Klein pants that I actually bought at Urban Outfitters. I believe the retail was $130, and I personally thought that they were gonna sell out simply because not only did Rocky and the whole ASAP Mob model for them, but also Kim and her sisters model for them as well. The jeans are basically just like this this pair of denim that has like a white stripe on both sides of the jeans. I'm not sure what you could call them, maybe like track pant in a way, track denim, I don't know, but they're pretty cool. Personally, I believe that Raf Simons has something to do with the design on these pants because Rocky modeled for it, and I know that he's a very big supporter of Raf Simons and his work and everything. So I personally believe that this might just be Raf Simons' work, but not like the runway Calvin Klein, you know what I mean? But regardless, like, they're a pretty cool pair of jeans, you know. It was something different, and as you guys can see, they're pretty wide, which is something out of like the ordinary for me, like something out of the box, something I wouldn't usually wear. And some people who've known me ever since middle school, I've always been about like skinny jeans, tapered denim and all that, and so I said, why not, like, try something new, you know what I mean? But the denim itself says that it's premium Italian fabric, and it just has like Calvin Klein detailing all over the jeans, and I'll show you guys some close-ups so that you know what I mean. And aside from the blue denim, I also bought this pair of khaki and yellow pants as well from Calvin Klein. Basically the same pair of pants, just different color blocking obviously, and with the same thing as the other ones, you know, out of the ordinary for me, out of the box. So I just wanted to try something new, something different. These ones cost me a little bit more than the other ones, but I mean, regardless, it wasn't much of a difference in price, and I personally really like them. And as always, I'll show you guys a mini lookbook on the outfits that I would pair these pants with, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Hey, 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 hey. What up?
I might need me some ventilation, a little vacation, Houston fornication, mind redefine new renovations, space cool back out of the space station, float around town, do that on the daily.
So now that we got the review out of the way, I wanted to talk about the website that I'm creating at the moment. So for those of you who have known me for years now, you guys already know that I personally want to start my own clothing brand. And at the moment, I've been writing a lot, drawing, I've been doing a lot of sketches, and it all just, you know, has to do with the clothing and the pieces themselves. But I also don't want to get too much into detail about what I'm planning on doing as far as clothing. Later on down the road, you guys are just gonna see, like, as everything progresses little by little. And the website at the moment is just basically going to be me, you know, my vision as far as clothing goes, like the art and, you know, my inspiration behind it. And I know for a fact that the website is going to help me express that even further, and it's going to help me like reach out to, you know, other people besides social media. So that's definitely something that I'm looking forward to, you know, showing you guys. So if you guys could do me a huge favor and check out the website, I'll put the link in the description so that you guys can go visit it. I'll also leave like the links to my social medias and everything so you guys can go and check that out as well. But that's actually going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. I know that I always say that, and you know, I just really appreciate everybody who watches my videos. Even though at the moment I still don't have as many subscribers or viewers as I would like to, but it's all a progress, man. It's all gonna be little by little, you know what I mean? You can't rush things. I know for a fact that, you know, later on I'll inspire multiple people, and that's something that I'm definitely looking forward to. And I also can't wait to start expanding my channel and start doing stuff besides clothing, and I know for a fact it's going to be a great journey. But thank you guys again. I hope that you guys liked the video. You know, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Check out my website, check out my links to the social medias, and thank you guys so much. Simple as that. Boom. Let's get it, bro. I'm not even gonna question that, bro.
Elevator up the hill, we ain't never take the steps. Ain't never